What's up, Gogo? Back with another video, and I just ate dinner, so if you see anything in my teeth, don't comment about it, don't do nothing. But yeah, I got a new squishy. So just got out the package. This package came super late, but it's really good squishy. It's not one of those squishies that like already deflated really fast, but like, who could make this? You could only buy it or order it. And I ordered this on Amazon. All you have to do is search for squishies, like with cool designs, and then this one, some of them might pop up, but I legit forgot what all I typed out. I have to look at my phone. Oh my gosh, look how good this is. Watch. Look how good it goes back. Super good. And it's really stretchy. And I just love the design. Like that. I'm pretty sure they put mixed strawberry in here. I didn't see the white stuff. Because my dog bit it. But when I got it, I was playing with him and playing with it. And he decided to go. Sorry that my head's cut off and stuff. But yeah, this is my squishy. I love it a lot. And I can't wait to do videos with it. And yeah. So yeah. Sorry for the background noise and everything. But I'll catch you guys in another video. Like, subscribe, comment, share. And join the notification squad. Peace. Stay beautiful, fam. Peace. Love you guys. Sorry for the background noise. Love you guys. Stay beautiful.